Kage Katcher motorized grass catchers and leaf collectors are compatible with multiple brands of lawnmowers. The trick is that different brands and even models within the same brand sometimes need different adapters or intake manifolds for the side grass catcher to fit properly on the mower. When you first purchase your Kage Katcher, it will come with the adapter needed for your specified mower already attached. However, if you want to use the same catcher on a different brand of mower, you'll need to switch the adapter. In this video, we'll show you how to do that. This Kage Katcher was set up to be mounted on an Exmark Turf Tracer walk-behind mower, but we need to put it on a Toro Z Master zero-turn mower. Start by removing the nuts from the 4 bolts holding the adapter in place. This will need to be done from the inside of the basket. It may be easier if you open the basket. Once you've removed the old adapter, just line up the holes on the new adapter with the grass catcher and bolt the new one in place right where the old one came off. Once the nuts are tightened, your Kage Katcher is ready to be installed on your new mower.